Setting up a high-converting squeeze page. It's no secret that your website visitors got there because they are interested in what you have to say. Mind you, they're not interested in your website just yet. They are interested in the stuff that they can find there. Not all of them will convert into recurring visitors just because they made it there, and a large number of them will ignore your subscribe to our newsletter button, no matter where it is located. In our last video, we talked about how lead magnets are a great way to entice visitors into converting to subscribers, and then to customers. Nevertheless, we were saving this one for last, the squeeze page. The squeeze page is, to put it simply, a page that you'll use to capture your leads and their email addresses. Landing pages are used as opt-ins to promote your lead magnets. They can be designed as forms using your content management system or email marketing tool of choice. However, there is a truth about squeeze pages that is often hard to swallow. Squeeze pages are becoming less effective when it comes to capturing leads. We're talking about traditional squeeze pages, that is. Before this video, you were used to one type of squeeze page, one that offered an ebook in a desperate attempt to bribe a customer into giving away their email address. These types of squeeze pages have been done to death, and the internet users of today know better. That is why we are going to show you how to create actionable, high-converting squeeze pages. Now, we want to clarify that you won't make a totally different type of squeeze page, because after all, you don't need to fix what is not broken. What you'll learn instead is to make actionable squeeze pages with social value. Write actionable headlines. The first thing that you have to do to create an actionable squeeze page is to write actionable headlines. Pick your landing page's theme and write a headline that describes a specific action. Instead of "Get our free report," you have to write something along the lines of "Learn how to turn your affiliate business into a six-figure job with these 5 strategies." Add social features to your squeeze page. Simply adding social sharing buttons to your squeeze page can increase your conversions by up to 20%. Add a comment section for social proof if your form editor allows it. Taking those 2 steps into account, remember to keep the structure of your squeeze page designed like this: 1 headline, 2 subheadline, 3 call to action, 4 a video or image, and 5 opt-in. Now that you know the most effective way to craft a squeeze page, we are going to show you how to use MailZingo, a self-hosted email marketing system, and Aweber, a traditional email marketing service, to design high-converting squeeze pages. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on MailZingo. Start on your MailZingo account and go to the Forms tab on the left side menu bar. Then click on the Create Forms button. Now enter a name for your form and select which campaigns your landing page will target. Then hit Next. Select an attractive template from the many offered by MailZingo by clicking on the Select Template button below each one. You'll be taken to the Forms editor. There, you'll be able to customize your thank you and already subscribed pages as default or as custom URLs. You'll also be able to select whether to send a confirmation email to your subscribers with the click of a button. We recommend you turn this option to On. Then you'll be able to modify the text on the template to insert your heading, your subheading, your social buttons as text, to insert a custom background image, and to add fields to your opt-in. Scroll down and click on Publish. Once you are done customizing your squeeze page, copy the JavaScript code that will appear. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on Aweber. Log into your Aweber account and go to Sign Up Forms on the top menu bar. Click on the Create Sign Up Form button and select Sign Up Form from the drop-down menu that will appear. You'll be taken to the Sign Up Form editor. You'll be presented with a standard sign-up form, but you'll be able to pick a template for your form from the selections listed. Pick one, select a color scheme, and hit Load Template. Now you'll be able to use the Edit Header to insert your headline, to edit your opt-in fields, and to edit the footer. When you are finished here, scroll down and click on Go to Step 2. There, you'll have to name your form and select whether to use a basic or custom URL for your thank you and already subscribed pages. Now, click on Save Your Form and on Go to Step 3. Now you have to select how to publish your form. You can select I will install my form to insert it yourself on your site. You can select My Web Designer will install my form if you want to email your form's code to your website admin, or you can select Have Aweber host my form to simply host your squeeze page on Aweber's servers and use their URL. For this particular example, select I will install my form and copy the JavaScript code shown in the field below. How can you insert your squeeze page in your website or blog? Whether you use MailZingo or Aweber to create your squeeze page, simply paste the JavaScript code in your website's widget code. This will of course depend on your content management system. If you're using WordPress, you'll have to start on your dashboard and go to Appearance. Then click on Widgets. Scroll down and select Text. Select Sidebar as your placement and click on Add Widget. In Title, enter the text that you want to use to make it visible on your website. Now, paste your form's JavaScript code in the Content field, click on Save, and then on Close. The ideal placement for this particular opt-in form is at the top right sidebar. So click over the text widget, hold the click with your left mouse button, and grab it to place it above your first sidebar widget, and it will save automatically. Now you have a high-converting squeeze page to capture your leads.